just about to go plane spotting, and my mom apparently saw a dog. Mom, what breed is it? What? What breed is it? Do you know? You saw a dog? Are you sure? You sure you saw it? Here, puppy. We don't want him to die. Do we? I got stung by a ground wasp because I stepped on their freaking nest. If you guys don't know, I have a ginormous peeve. So that's my first time being stung by a bee. I was just trying to plane spot, and then boom. Finally, I'm going to an international airport to go plane spotting, and suddenly, boom. My mom saw a random dog. I don't know if I should check on it. I'm gonna check on it. Well, it seems like the dog, we can find him. I hope he survives that, because I don't like to see dogs alone.
Turn left at the traffic light onto Dublin Road.
Since I'm a dog owner, like I own 2 dogs. I have 2 dogs. And no cats. I don't like cats.